welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week, we have 3 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the 1/4-inch drive Nano bit driver with Hex-Handle ratchet from Titan. This ratchet features a 250-degree swivel head, magnetic bit retention, and a minimal 4-degree sweep. The handle end functions as a magnetic bit driver, while the 90-tooth reversible ratchet allows for smooth operation. Next is the Milwaukee Tool M12 Fuel 3/8-inch ratchet, which features a brushless outer motor designed to deliver 70 foot-pounds of torque to break away stubborn fasteners and 400 RPM to remove and install fasteners at higher rates of speed. Finally, our last tool is Harbor Freight's 20-volt HERCULES brushless cordless paddle switch grinder, which features a new flathead design. The grinder can easily access tight spaces, while the low clearance allows the disc to get closer to the work surface than an angle head grinder would. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.